Hey, what's up, guys? This is Billy. I wanted to just jump on here real quick and show you guys a very, very simple side hustle that anybody can do. And it's as simple as sending an email, guys. So that's literally what I'm going to do here. I don't see a lot of videos like this being made, but I'm literally um, just going to do what I do every single day to make money on the side of um, my 9 to 5. So, and again, it's as simple as sending an email. So I'm going to literally walk you guys through the whole thing here. It'll be less than 15 minutes because that's literally all it takes to do what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna use the affiliate marketing business model, and I use that model because it's simple, and I don't really have my own product or my own service. So I just basically partner with other businesses that are already doing well, that are profiting, that are proven. And I partner with those guys, and they pay me a commission. And so, literally, my only job as an affiliate marketer is to find interested people and show them my unique website that's pretty much done for me, or you can make your own, either way. But that's another big plus for the affiliate marketing business model is that, a lot of this stuff is done for you, a lot of the marketing material. So I have one job, and that's just to get eyeballs on that offer. And, I'm paid handsomely for doing that. So, um, there's many ways to get traffic or eyeballs on an offer, right? You can see here, this is my Facebook profile. I have some testimonials here of affiliate commissions that I made, and people that I've helped. And so I use Facebook to get eyeballs on what I'm sharing. I can do the same thing on TikTok and pull up my TikTok. And you can see here. I think this is going to pause this. So you can see here that you can do the same thing on TikTok. So this is my profile here, and these are videos that I made sharing what I'm offering, and I'm looking for people that are interested in starting their own side hustle like I do. That's another place you can get traffic. YouTube, which is where this video is actually going to be on. I'm doing this video to share what I'm doing in hopes that it's going to help other people. But I'm also going to have a link, my personal URL link inside the description of this video that's going to take you to an offer or a website that'll teach you how to do what I do more in depth. And so those are the different ways that you can get eyeballs. And then from there, I literally send an email because, I like sending an email. I can send an email and then I can close the laptop and go about my day. And, throughout the day, you can easily earn money, even while you're sleeping. There's been plenty of times I've woken up with money in my bank account while I was sleeping. So that's why I do this because it's simple and it's a way to earn some extra money. And it's you can earn as much as you want doing this kind of stuff. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get this ball rolling, guys. So um, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get into my autoresponder. And what an autoresponder is where I collect leads, right? Because as I told you guys, I like to send emails. So the first thing I like to do, or you have to do to be able to send an email, is find people to send an email to, right? And that's what I was mentioning earlier. You can use Facebook, TikTok. You can, use services like Google Ads, Facebook ads, whatever. There's so many freaking ways to do that. And if you need more information on that, I can definitely help you here. But you can just friend me on Facebook here as well, and just scroll down, and you'll kind of see how I do what I do in terms of that. So let's go ahead and we'll go first. I guess first thing, let me show you the page. This is the page builder I use, and like I said, we have done for you pages. And when I say pages, I'm talking about pages that capture the leads for me. And I'll also have a link here if you guys don't have, um, a page builder of your own. This one here is $25, and it does everything that the more expensive page builders do out there. And as an affiliate, this company pays me 80% commissions. I mean, 80%. That's almost, like having your own freaking business, except you're not, having to, maintain this website and customer data and all that's involved with owning, a real business. But basically, they have a page builder here, and I use the page. You may have seen it before, but it literally looks like this here. So this is one of the pages that I use here. So I share this with people around the internet, giving away the 30-minute workday escape plan. It's 186 pages, but it's freaking amazing. It was written by a good friend of mine. And he's been doing this for many, many, many years. So here you go. He's been job free for over 15 years. He wrote this, and it literally does what it says. It outlines the 30-minute workday, and I'm literally going to prove that here in this video anyway. So I use this to collect the leads. This is connected to my autoresponder, which there's many of them that you can use. This one's called Active Campaign. So what I'm going to do is click on campaigns here, and I'm going to go ahead and make a new campaign. Just create a campaign here. I'm going to do the date here. It's 11 p.m. Actually, I'm going to schedule it for tomorrow because I already wrote an email for today, and I'm going to have this one go out at 7 a.m. and click next here. And I'm going to choose the people that I want to send it to. And you can add as many emails in here as you want, guys. Then I'm just going to choose this. Let's see. We'll start from scratch here. And you'll just put your name. This would be your email that you're going to be sending from. You would have your own, obviously. So now to come up with the email subject line, I'm actually going to send it to this affiliate product. Now I use this affiliate product, and that's why I'm sharing it with people, because I used it, I learned from it, I got results with what they're sharing. The owners are legit, the community is awesome, and you get paid 80% commissions on any sales you make. Again, you're not going to find that anywhere else. I mean, nobody just pays you 80% commissions. So that's one of the biggest reasons why I do this. So I'm literally going to just scroll down this page and just look for, a subject line that I would open. And without even really scrolling too much, I mean, you can just see here there's tons of copy on here that as an affiliate that I can use. I mean, look at this. Just one sale turns into 74K a year. So, I mean, would you be okay with $74,000 a year? Doing this from home? Bet you would. What about 150K a year? That's just only 2 sales. So, I mean, that's why I do this stuff, guys. I mean, you're not going to be able to get this kind of income, without working your tail off, on the internet. So obviously, we do have an FTC disclaimer here, which you can find more at income.thehba.net. It does take, effort, skill, commitment. And as long as you got that, then the results you're after are definitely achievable. So with that being said, I'm going to go back up here to the top because I already saw one and I don't think I've used it. So I'm going to say you can see results in as little as 24 hours. I mean, that's strong Strong headline here, guys. Um, so let's go back here to the autoresponder, and I'm just going to paste that in there so you can see results in as little as 24 hours. That's going to be the subject line. So when somebody gets this email, that's what they're going to see. I don't need none of this stuff, so I'm just going to delete it out of here. Now you can save this. So I literally don't do this every single time. I already have a template saved here, so I don't have to go and delete all that. The next thing is now is for the body copy. So I think, let's see here, I can literally just copy this. And again, guys, I mean, for the sake of this video, I'm not going deep into this, into the page here, and that's just because I mean there's so much here. I mean that that we could choose to use with that email. I mean, so much copy here. Um, so that's why I just chose to do this. So um, now you would need to do a little formatting. I mean, I wouldn't write an email with each word capital. So I'm just going to type that in real quick. So bear with me. Actually, I'm gonna pause this and write it and then come back. This way you're not just kind of sitting here waiting. All right, so you guys can see here that that this is what I copied and pasted, and you can see here I kind of formatted it and added a couple of things in here. So it's not exactly the same, and you guys can leave it the same, but I suggest just changing it up a little bit, right? I didn't change it up that much, so now I'm going to delete this. And then actually, I leave my a number. This is not my real phone number, but it is a number that I can text. So I leave that here because I am trying to help people, and sometimes people just need a little bit more help. Sometimes they want more information, and I think leaving my number here and actually replying to it just helps people know that like I'm real. I'm not hiding. I just showed you guys my Facebook profile as well. So now the last thing I need to do is add my unique website here because I have go here to learn more. So this is when they click here, that's my referral affiliate marketing link, and that's how I get paid. So I already have it. So I'm going to do join all in one. So join AIO. That takes people to where's it at, to this page that I just showed you. That's where we got the copy. So I'm sending this email, right? And whenever people open it and click on that link, some will, some don't. That's okay. The ones who do, they're going to go to see this page where it literally speaks on what I'm telling them in the email. They're going to watch this video. If they like what they hear and they want to join, then they join and I get a commission. So all I'm going to do now is just change the font size here. And that's it, folks. I'll hit next and I'll scroll down here and change the date till tomorrow. And I'm going to do it for 7 a.m. I think is what we said. And I'm going to hit schedule because this is a schedule. I'm going to hit schedule and I'm going to hit finish. And that right there is how you do affiliate marketing, guys. It's literally that simple. So once they get that email, they're going to come to this page and they're going to watch the video and go from there. So that's, as you see, that's less than 15 minutes. And I'm basically done. So I can wake up with money in my account. Sometimes, maybe it won't. But the fact of the matter is that you can, and you won't be able to unless you do something about it, right? And that's why I chose to do this simple side hustle. And if you want to know more, just go to the description in this video and you'll be able to see, come to the page that looks like this, and it'll show you how to do what I do, and you'll also have me to help make sure you don't get stuck. So that being said, I hope this video was useful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.